Most of the ugly situations faced in the journey of life build resistance in those who don't give up in their pursuit. But the weak submit to the challenges. Tell me your excuses, and I will show you somebody who has passed through more than what you are going through and still attained success. Goals are easily conceived, but not easily achieved. Everybody wants to be successful, but not everyone puts in the best effort for the actualization of the success they yearn for. Sometimes we feel that all our strength has been used for a particular purpose with no improvement. We think that there is no way out of the difficulty, and the last outcome is to quit. I understand how you feel, but I want to tell you today that you still have enough strength in there to get to the final spot, and you will find your way out if you endure. What you are facing right now is a test, and your body is working against your goals. Charge up your body. Don't give in to the demands of pleasure and frivolities the body is craving for amid your ambitions. Focus first and see what will happen to you later. Most people have good ambitions and processed thoughts that are feasible, but they tend to go for less stressful work and courses with few rewards. Be mindful of yourself if you only take the easiest route for temporary relief of stress. Check out those who are driven by their dreams. They don't care about the outcomes of their actions. They are not bothered about the future destination, and all they care about is the daily completion of their task. In this video, I will discuss 5 ways that will help you to stay focused on your goals and not give up easily. Number 1, perseverance in the face of challenges. Perseverance becomes your most valuable partner when faced with obstacles. Accept the challenges as opportunities, not as roadblocks and setbacks. Every setback presents an opportunity to rise stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Recall that success is found right beyond the point at which others gave up. Persist in pushing yourself, maintain concentration, and let your determination be the engine driving you towards your success. Being persistent is more than just a virtue. It is the unwavering dedication that makes aspirations come true. Therefore, let your tenacity illuminate the way to your success when the going gets rough. Unavoidably, obstacles will arise when pursuing your goals. Seize every chance that comes your way for growth, learning, and adaptation. It is important to keep in mind that achieving your goals never follows a straight path. Rather, it often involves interesting diversions. Number 2, feel your passion. Feeling your passion is essential to living a fulfilled life. It is not just an option. Think of your passion as a flame that needs to be kept burning brightly by you. Let your enthusiasm be the engine that pushes you on in the quest for your dreams, even when the road appears difficult. Your dreams are what keep you moving forward when things get tough on the trip. Remember what first inspired you to pursue your goals. Envision your aspirations coming true, and use that image as motivation to overcome hurdles. Passion fuels resilience. It transforms setbacks into learning experiences and difficulties into opportunities. Keep your fire burning and don't let fear of the unknown put it out. Turn your grief into fuel that lights your way and uncover the remarkable you. Remember that passion spreads easily, and by igniting your own, you encourage others to do the same. It is about the energy you bring to your passion, not simply what you do. For this reason, surround yourself with the things that nourish your spirit, nurture that fire, and allow it to lead you to a fulfilling existence. The world is ready for the genius that emerges from a passionately driven heart. Number 3, resilience defines success. Success is not reserved for those who never face failure. It belongs to those who refuse to let failure define them. Be resilient in the face of setbacks. Every no brings you one step closer to a yes. It is not about avoiding falls, but about rising every time you do. Success is not always about avoiding failures or challenges. It is about how you respond to them. Resilience is the inner strength that turns setbacks into comebacks. You have to picture resilience as the steel frame supporting the structure of your ambitions. When storms of doubt or setbacks shake your path, it is resilience that keeps you standing tall. Every successful person has faced adversity. What sets them apart is the ability to bounce back, to adapt, and to keep moving forward. In the face of adversity, stand firm like a tree with deep roots. Let each challenge strengthen your determination and shape your character. Your journey to success will be a testament to the power of your resilience. So, when the road gets tough, let resilience define your success story. Number 4, believe in your potential. Believing in your potential is the first and most crucial step on the path to greatness. Within you lie untapped reservoirs of talent and creativity. It is time to acknowledge your capabilities and recognize that you are capable of achieving remarkable things. Doubt may whisper in your ear, but let belief drown out the noise. Your potential is not a distant, unattainable goal. It is a seed waiting to sprout. Nurture it with confidence, water it with determination, and watch it grow into something extraordinary. The journey of belief in oneself is a transformative one. It is about understanding that your unique blend of skills and passion is a force to be reckoned with. When you believe in your potential, you unlock doors to opportunities and push boundaries you once thought unbreakable. Stand tall in the belief that you are capable and that your dreams are within reach. Your potential is not defined by circumstances, but by your courage to pursue what sets your soul on fire. Embrace the power within you and let belief be the driving force that turns your aspirations into achievements. Number 5, surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is not just a choice. It is a strategic decision that shapes the narrative of your life. Like the sun breaking through the clouds, positivity has the power to illuminate even the darkest corners of your journey. In a world that can be challenging, your circle of influence becomes a compass directing your mindset. Choose companions who radiate positivity, for they will be the wind beneath your wings during challenging times. Their optimism is contagious, creating an environment where challenges are seen as opportunities and setbacks as stepping stones. Negativity may knock on your door, but it is your choice whether to invite it in. Build a fortress of optimism around you and let it become a shade against doubt and pessimism. Positivity is not just a mood, it is a mindset that fuels resilience, fosters creativity, and attracts success. Remember, you are the sum of the energies you surround yourself with. Positivity is not just a luxury, it is an essential element in the recipe for a life well lived. Choose it, cultivate it, and watch it transform your world. Remember, the road to your dreams may be challenging, but with persistence, passion, and a resilient spirit, you have the power to turn your aspirations into reality. Never give up on your dreams. They are worth the journey.